County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Steuben to near New Morgan, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
I'm in a jam with the man that burn.
Source, automated weather station. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Allentown, Reading, Easton, Westchester, Bethlehem, Norristown, Chester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Young, Emmaus, Westtown, Northampton, Quickharetown, and Percy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe